La cinta la es agua.
Maddie.
We'll see right now. Right now.
¿Cómo está la pizza? Bien, Lucero. ¿Te gustó mucho?
No, miren mi gente, estamos comiendo pizza, ricos pizza. Está buena. Rica pizza. Está rica.
10 out of 10, Rico's Pizza. This is the water one and the real one.
No está muy fuerte. Así pues, ya está bien así.
Una, dos, tres.
Mira cómo le dije, mira que le dije, a ver ponme. Esa sí es, tómatela. Tómatela. El agua hace que me haga tos, hija.
This feels like summer. You can get out now. What the?
Not really.
That's all I'm saying.
Arrived at 7-Eleven with these knuckleheads. And my longtime cousin. Dude, you know which ones are good? These are good. The buffalo ones are good. Last time you got something?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You're saying 7-Eleven is trash.
Look what they have.
What is this?
They're on TikTok.
No way. Oh, I've seen these. The squinkless. Peelers. Let's see if we can find some good snacks we've never tried. Some ice cream. But banana cream pie. I definitely saw a video of how they make those, and I definitely don't even want those no more. No, I was just saying I saw a video how they make those, and they're not good for you.
What?
Nothing's good for you.
This whole store is poison at this point. Honestly, yeah.
Bro, if they're making meat out of
3D
printing meat, bro.
the lab thing too. That's what I'm gonna get.
Okay.
You don't want anything?
Who wants the butter?
What's the butter is that? Oh, it's just in there.
I see
I
that.
did get one.
I seen that Taramate, they have the dumplings. You're gonna get that?
Maybe. I don't know.
How much are they?
I don't know. I'll check right now. I think I can check on that.
Don't they have them on Timo?
Yeah.
I'm like, don't they have them on Timo and Shein? Dude, I ran around the whole store looking for this kid. He keeps running away from me. Why do you keep running away from me? That's what you want?
Yeah.
You gonna do it with that?
With what?
With the video, like. Yeah. This is for your girlfriend, Evan.
Shit.
Which one are you gonna get her? Which one would you get? Which one would you choose for your girlfriend?
I'll get this
If you had one. Ah.
I'll get this
First he
one
has to
for
choose what girlfriend he wants to get
and then this one for Jasmine, and this one for...
Damn. For all three?
I'm just not that kind of person.
Oh, okay.
They have the little hamburger one.
Yeah.
Oh, I've
Bro,
actually
look,
seen
they
these.
have it on the bottom shelf. Look.
Don't be looking at that. That's not for you.
What?
Yeah, you know
$8?
what's.
Yeah. But there's a video on my free page saying that they're gonna raise the prices for it.
Yeah, so you want to afford them.
Might have to get it right now.
What?
I'm just kidding.
You watch the.
Yo. Hey, what you trying to get?
I'm trying to get me some nerds. What about you?
That's not.
Have you seen these?
All these retro sours, they're hella good.
No. I wouldn't get those.
Why?
This is what I'm gonna get.
Yo, we should get
And
pickles.
then you walk out with it and then you bring it to pay?
We should get the pickles and then the Taki powder and try it together.
I don't
You
know.
want to know be good? Carne seca and then with that chili powder.
They have pickles too.
I don't really like pickles.
I got
Kool-Aid
these.
ones
What if
sound
you
good.
put the Takis with this? Ah.
No, or we can buy it.
You guys really want it?
Well, I don't know if it's gonna be good or not because they have the hot Cheeto one too, but the other one's gonna be.
The hot Cheeto one is. No, they don't look good.
This one doesn't.
That's just a whole lot of powder that makes your stomach hurt. It's gonna make you go to the bathroom. Yeah, it's all red 40 and it's gonna make you go number 2.
You can just try it. You don't even have
Just get Takis and get the little powder and just it's the same thing.
How are you gonna get all the powder then?
I'm not getting that Leah for you. That's gonna ruin your stomach, girl. She's paying for the powder. We're gonna be trying the pickle with these Piddles ideas. Put like 3, right? 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for Leah. Should we just do a lot? You hella finished it?
No, we're right there. I can't. Sorry. My stomach hurt. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Aaliyah.
Like I can feel my stomach growling.
Cheers. We get Evan. You gonna put a lot in it?
This better taste
Today,
good.
bro.
Cheers. I think it tastes just like pickle. I can't even taste the.
Okay.
I can't even taste the Taki.
Can't taste it at all.
I think it's just the.
It's spicy though.
The pickles kind of like.
Oh,
I say damun.
it's past my bedtime right now.
What does that mean?
It means it's past my bedtime.
Dead
Dead ass.
Dude, that's actually. How was the trip?
Bro,
How was the trip?
it was good. La tía se lo está comiendo. Cassie Rush. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Spend that shit. My little niece, she works at Starbucks. Hey, I could never work there. They made me get that for them. Try it. It has talkies. Is it good? It doesn't even taste like nothing. It just tastes like pickles.